11 organizing must-haves from IKEA. Buying all the essentials to keep your home neat and tidy can get a little pricey, but rest assured IKEA has sweet purchases for every budget. If you're currently looking around your space and realizing it could use some streamlining, these genius organization products at IKEA are the answer. 1. VEBERÖD Bench, $115. This bench has drawers, a shelf, and even a place to sit. Plus, it rolls. What more could you want? 2. EKET Alex EKET Walter Wall Shelf with Drawers, $69.49. Double the amount of storage with a shelf that also has drawers, so you can hide things you don't want showing while also storing and showing off your prized possessions. 3. MULIG Valet Stand, $12.99. This valet stand can act as storage for belts, purses, jewelry, and even clothes. 3 hooks for belts, ties, scarves or handbags, and a removable tray on top. 4. RAGRUND Chair with Towel Rack, $49.99. Yes, this works great as a towel rack and storage unit in your bathroom, but it can also hold scarves, belts, and shoes in your bedroom too. 5. BROGRUND Box, set of 3, $6.99. You can easily stack these boxes, making them the ideal storage for small spaces. Clean, simple, and distinctive. The BROGRUND offers a wide variety of clever accessories that create order out of chaos in your bathroom while also giving it a fresh, modern look. 6. SKÅDIS Storage Bag, $5. You can hang this on a pegboard or even hang it over your cabinets to add some extra places to stash random items. 7. MYRHEDEN Memo Board with Clips, $14.99. Use this to hang jewelry, reminders, or whatever else you want. It's the perfect way to add some storage to your space in a pretty way. 8. Sortera Recycling Bin with Lid, $10. Stack these on top of each other and use them as recycling bins or even storage for larger items. You can easily access the contents of a bin, even when stacked, because it has a folding lid. Suitable for sorting glass, metal, plastic, newspapers, etc. 9. EKET Cabinet with Door, white, $25. Like a floating shelf and cabinet all in one, this EKET piece is a great place to stow items that would otherwise clutter up a bedroom or reading nook. 10. BISSA Shoe Cabinet with 3 compartments, $39.99. This shoe organizer makes all those messy shoe piles into a compact storage solution you'll hardly even notice is there. 11. SKÅDIS Pegboard Combination, $32.99. This pegboard has endless uses and will help you organize everything from office supplies to reminders.